All right, so we're back with another one. We're going to check out Screencastify in the world of screencasting. Now, when I say screencasting, some people will say screen capture. You know, what I mean is recording like what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you recording your screen with you on it or without you, to do software demonstrations, to do software training, things like that. And the question is there anything better than Camtasia? Camtasia has been the king for decades now. Hasn't really been challenged or contested in many places. There are other products out there like Loom, and there is Screencastify. Now, the interesting thing about Screencastify is the AI features that is bringing in, such as translation and some other things like captions, automated captions and things like that. We know that Camtasia 2024 just added captions to the product. A little bit late in my opinion, but I mean, nevertheless, it's a good thing. And well, we're gonna see what Screencastify can do, and if it can be a challenger to this title of Ultimate Screencasting Tool. Let's go. All right, so here we are with Screencastify, and I already logged in. I have an account. I'm using their free trial, 7-day free trial. So kudos on that. That's a good start to begin with. If you notice here, they have the whole thing of creating interactive video. They're also talking about interactive video, so I like that part too. That will be very interesting. We're going to check that out. It seems like they are being able to target teachers, school districts, and then offer this product pretty much for everybody else. I mean, if you think about it, if you got translations, if you got interactions, that comes very handy for business, for corporate learning. We got the free product. You can do up to 10 videos, 30-minute max per video, and 10 gigs. That is awesome. And you know, again, kudos for having a good free trial and not having it limited like we did with the previous video. All right, so the starter pack, you get the unlimited. This is great, $7 per month, and you get about 25 gigs. That's plenty, and unlimited length sports. So $7 per month annually. That's great. That's less than Camtasia. So it's been an enterprise already. Let's see about capability. All right, so we're here. You can have your dashboard with your videos, sort of a library. We have the university, which is their school stuff. In other words, their training videos, so you can learn some things. Great. Oh, certification courses as well. Skill submitter, master the screencast. Like it. All right. And we have, of course, a graded plan and all of that. So if I wanted to get started on this, start recording in minutes with the Screencastify Chrome extension. All right, I'm a little bit suspicious already. So the only reason is because that means that, like CapCut and like the other ones, is using sort of like that Google Chrome extension. So we'll see if it is or if it's not, but it seems to be that it might be that. So let's go ahead and get it. You add the extension comes in. One thing you want to do is hit that little icon so you can pin it, and that way it'll be available there, ready to go. See how I have CapCut here as well? Same situation. So if I click that, it will trigger CapCut, I think. Well, I guess I'm not triggering anything because I'm recording with Camtasia. Oh no. All right, so we got that open there. I already set it to enable. Close this out, go back to this. All right, embed the webcam. Okay. Oh, it says this is going to use the same camera I'm using for Camtasia. That'll be interesting. All right, so we get the desktop, we got the stuff. Let's see what happens. All right, so recording. So yeah, it's giving me a lot of the Chrome extension vibes, meaning I think there's like some kind of, don't quote me on this, but I think there's some kind of recorder with Google that you can use, and all these apps are using the same thing. So you either record the entire screen or the window, or it might be their own application. To be honest, I don't know. If you know, drop the comments in the video. I would say is that this is a little different because the Camtasia one lets you record the tabs, so like the browser tabs, or I mean the CapCut one. And so let's see, record that screen. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Alex, and I just want to say, you know, how cool is the Apple interface here for this stuff. I mean, I love it. You should use it. Okay, so I did that recording. I stopped the recording. You still see me, hopefully, here in Camtasia. And all right, so we get the video set up here. There you go. You see me down there. And we got the description for it. Okay, so in terms of product, this to me seems like Loom, pretty much like Loom. And I'll have to probably do Loom a little bit, short moment here. But here's some cool features that I like. So if you're an educator, you got share to Google Classroom. So you can record as a teacher, you can record yourself and, you know, do a lesson or something, and then share it to Google Classroom, have your kids, you know, your students come in and do stuff. You can also generate a QR code. That's nice. Generate a QR code, and you can put it to people and go, hey, go check out my tutorial on this. And then the why is this, to explain what I said, like this is just like Loom or similar to Loom, is that you have, this is going to be online. So it's not like Camtasia that you will generate the video and then upload the video somewhere, and or work with your app in the computer. This is cloud-based. It's a cloud-based screen recorder, and you will have people watch here. The difference with that, and I will mention what I know about Loom, and we'll see what happens here. The difference with that is that you have interactions that you can put because it's cloud-based and you have the web interface. So it's cloud-based, and so if you're a viewer, you can come here at second, you know, 4 seconds or whatever, and be like, hey, you give me a thumbs up or something and say, I really love this part of the video. So pretty much like what happens here on YouTube, right? But this one is specifically for the tutorial you're doing and for the people you're talking to. There are comments, there are viewers. Okay, so I can see the number of viewers, number of comments dropped, and the responses. See that? Responses? That will grab the responses to the video. That's why you copy the video link and share it. All right, cool. So if you want to try it, actually, I'm going to put that link in the description here of the video, and you can then experience that, how that works. There are questions here. I was mentioning something about, you know, here I was mentioning stuff about the interface with that. So I'm going to add a question here, and you can add questions at a specific time. So see, it puts you the question and stuff. Okay, so so this is not too hard. You come over to the time mark that you want to add the video, and over here I can add the question. See, it's a multiple choice question, or it can be a short answer question. So if I do here and I go, where is the mouse cursor now, right? Boom, put that in. It's got points, and you got the limit response. Oh, limit the response. So your response, if I just want one word, right, I can limit that to, you know, 50 characters, for example. Boom. That will make it easier to read the answers and whatnot. So, and grading will not be automatic for this question. And that is because it's a short answer. If it was a multiple choice question, then you can do that. So we got the question in, done. And so, you know, it's telling you, hey, you're already at 5 seconds, you already added this, so got to go somewhere else. So at 6 seconds, I can add another question or anywhere else. All right, cool. So I added my question. You got a due date that you can set up. That's nice. And obviously something we didn't do before is that you can edit the video, right? So let's see what happens here. Ooh, edit interface. There you go. Add videos to the, oh, okay. Nice. So you can actually, you can have an editor where you can add media to it, make edits in the timeline, and cut, crop, zoom, more. Nice. Thing, which is the free edit stuff. Add media is going to, no, it's just bringing me from the stuff that I have. This is interesting, but I don't get the whole point of why it takes me there. Yeah, I haven't figured out. You know, if anybody knows, let me know. But otherwise, I'm looking here. Boom, we'll get that. We'll get back to this place and turn the edit to this edit video. Okay, copy your video using captions. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. But you know, we got a problem with the interface here. I got to think, because this is exactly what I was expecting to see when I hit the edit stuff. So interface wise, there's an issue. If you got the same icon showing me consistency, right? If you got the same icon showing me in edit mode, then I should have this stuff in the other screen where I have this edit right here. See how I don't have it here, but I do have it here. Yeah, so that's what it was. This is what I was talking about. So here, you know, I could stop there, for example, and be like, you know what? I say something here I don't really care about. This is where I put the question. But that's the thing you gotta watch when you edit, right? You don't want to add stuff in the question. But right here, let's say like, you know what? This part from this part, I don't want to do that. So you will cut there. What does it say? Command B, or just there, right? Select the cut, and then paste, and then cut, and then you can come back here, select that thing, and be like, nope, delete it. And it's already doing a ripple delete, which is pushing the stuff over and maintaining the stuff continuously. So now instead of 14 seconds, we are now 12 seconds of video. Let's say I'm cool with it. Maybe I want to add a little bit of an outro on it or an intro, and then we're done. And that's it. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. You got blurs. You can add blurs to things. So if I add here and I do blur, oh, look at that. Just like Camtasia, right? So I can blur whatever things you don't want to see. That's great for privacy software stuff. And we can add titles. There we go. Yeah, text boxes. Nice. Yep, something here, right here. So Apple tutorial, and you can control pretty much. Hey, look, control the size of it there, fonts, availability, arrangement of hierarchy. Yeah. And you can add more boxes. Okay, cool. Did that. Of course, you know, when I do that, it'll be a different color. You do like white or something more fun. Yeah, well, not here because we have dark background. Quite a bit of a dark background here, but yeah, but look, you can rotate the thing, manipulate it, and move it on the timeline. All right, screencasting wise, Screencastify could be the winner. Awesome. Okay, so that was it. Screencastify. Very interesting. I think I'm going to definitely buy a premium version of this and do some cool tutorials on it. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in knowing more, but otherwise, it's a great tool to use, and it's definitely a good challenger for Camtasia.